Hi everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. For those of you who are new here, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Dhanu and I recently completed my MBA from TAPI Management Institute Manipal, and recently I have started working, so I'm an official corporate girly. But cutting the crap short, what are we gonna do in today's video? Tap me faculty, one of the most asked question. I'll tell you my experience. I would really want to be honest here. Every person has a different perception, so there are high chances what I like you may not like. So for me also it happened. So the subjects I liked, I really liked their faculty, and the subjects I did not like, I didn't really enjoy that faculty's classes. And also ऐसा होता है कि आपको किसी का समझ आता है बहुत अच्छे से और किसी का बिल्कुल समझ नहीं आता है, एंड मेरे साथ भी ऐसा होता था. You know, this scenario you will find everywhere, anywhere you go, that some faculties you will really like, some faculties you will not. Also, somebody asked me ki what is the practical to theory ratio. Well, here there is a lot of emphasis on theory aspect of it, but then there are a lot of projects and submissions and assignments which try to give you a practical aspect of it. But then I personally feel it was limited. There could be more activities, more things like that which give you that practical exposure. But then I think college will play its role. It is also equally important for a student to play its role, so that whatever activities or assignments is being given to you, you do it sincerely. Because if you don't do it and you end up using AI, then the college cannot do about it. So if there is an financial modeling assignment which is given to you, try to understand how it is actually done rather than just doing it for the sake of doing. Similarly, there are a lot of in class activities. Don't think why are we doing it, because there's actual some learning behind it. And also, please, I realized a little bit later, your case studies are very very important. Please prepare for them and try to derive as many learnings and understandings possible, because that is actually how you understand the business problems and try to solve it. That really builds up your analytical thinking. It also helps you come up with your creative solutions to a problem and whatnot. Apart from that, stay tuned. Please channel से subscribe कर देना. I would really feel very happy and motivated that I could contribute and help you guys. And बहुत सारी interesting videos के साथ मैं जल्द आने वाली हूँ. And of course मैंने अपनी corporate journey शुरू किया है, तो उसके बारे में भी बहुत सारी videos आती रहेंगी. Please चैनल से subscribe कर देना. Would mean so much to me.